Good morning, investors and traders. This is Naeem Azam, Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade, and welcome to our daily technical analysis video. Folks, looking at the Bitcoin chart, it seems like bulls are back. So today, in this particular video, we are going to perform a further price analysis on the chart and then see what exactly is in store for Bitcoin. Before we do that, as always, it is important for us to go through this disclaimer and this warning. Anything which will be discussed cannot be perceived as an advice. If you are seeking for one, please do consider consulting with your own financial advisors. Now, as always, I'm going to bring out the MT4 platform, which can be downloaded from our website, evertrade.com. Now, folks, the reason that I believe the bulls are back in town comes from the 4-hour time frame, because remember, I'm a big fan of moving averages, and then three important moving averages that I use all the time for my analysis are as follows. Firstly, your 50-day simple moving average, which is in pink, followed by that is your 100-day simple moving average, and finally your 200-day simple moving average. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that there was a massive battle between the price and the moving averages right in around this particular area. The price tried to move above that, and then it moved below it, and then the battle continues. But then right over here, the price started to move higher, and then it had a test of the 50-day simple moving average in around this particular area. But then the price continued its journey, and then once again, in around this particular area, the price broke below the 50-day simple moving average just over here. But quickly, the price reversed its move and it continued its journey to the upside. But then, once again, we had the massive change of heart among investors and traders. And at this particular point, we saw the price breaking below the 50-day simple moving average, crossing below the 100-day simple moving average as well. But now the situation has changed once again, because what we see in terms of a price action, in terms of a Bitcoin, is prices are moving back to the upside. As you can see over here, initially we had the first indication right in around this particular point when the price started to move above the 100-day simple moving average. And all of this price action, this was covered in our video, in our yesterday's video, when we talked about this particular price. But as of now, as of today, as of a few hours ago, a few hours ago, the price broke above the 50-day simple moving average, which is just right over here. And now I am very sure that the prices are really going to continue their journey to the upside. This particular candle is going to be very much going to the upside, and we are very likely to challenge this area of resistance. This is your bullish candle, this is your breakout, and then this particular area on the top is your resistance. So that is what we are really looking at. So once again, to clarify, this area of resistance is very much likely to be challenged by the price action. The price has broken out of this particular area, and it is likely to continue its journey to the upside. In terms of this particular move, if you are thinking of, okay, where can I put a stop loss, the stop loss area or the stops can be placed just below the lows of this particular candle. This could be your stop loss right over here, and then you can really target this particular move to the upside. So if you put your stop loss just below 37,342, you can target the all-time high of 51,000, or let's just say 42,000 precisely, and then this momentum can continue. In terms of risk to reward, it certainly makes sense, because you are currently risking this much over here, but you are targeting, in terms of your reward, you are targeting this area, which is more or less 1.5 times than the risk that you are really taking. So it's not the best trade in terms of a risk to reward, but it is certainly a trade which makes a lot of sense. And if I switch the time frame into 30-minute time frame, the further chance the further the bullish signs are coming from here, because the 50-day simple moving average right over here has crossed above the 200-day simple moving average as well, and it is very likely that the 100-day is also going to cross above the 200-day simple moving average as well. Remember, we have not seen such a setup in a very long time, because the last time such setup happened, it was right around this particular area, and now once again the price over here is forming that particular move. So let's keep an eye on it and then see how the price will perform. That's all for today. See you guys next time.